Okay guys, it's me, Ella, and we will be playing on my VR. So yeah, it's kind of crazy, so let's get my, oh yeah, I got this plant, it's for my room. Yeah, it's a dog with a plant in it, but yeah, I had to not touch it because it's at 94 and you're asking me to make it go to sleep? What the frick? Where is it?
You don't want to go to church tomorrow?
Okay, people, I don't know where my thing is.
Are you?
No. Okay, so we're gonna go to I Am Cat. Oh, I'm already on it. Weird. We're going to my kitchen. You too, guys, because you need to come. Yeah. Y'all can go like right here. Okay, we're here.
Start barking.
Guys, we are here.
He says, that's just what I wanted, Mom. Thank you.
Okay.
That's why I've been barking.
So, guys, we are going to go to single player because
He said, go home and give me a toy.
that's how I roll. So, guys, we're going to Granny's house. We're going to do all of them. I'll show you secrets and hacks.
Okay. Nice.
So, guys, we will be starting in
different.
Granny's house, obviously.
Nice.
Because it's the first
Yeah,
map.
I definitely have to Charlie.
So,
You're just
so like,
different. Hers was just a little stick with the thing at the end, like lip gloss.
make
And
sure
I can't
you
get it. Like, if I do that,
subscribe.
it like clumps up or something, and I
First,
can't do
we
it.
will
Try
be
it.
helping Grandma because, yeah,
Nice.
she's been acting sad lately. So, yeah, we'll be making her.
Nice.
Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, or else I will come to your house and haunt you. Okay, guys, so first it's breakfast, right, Granny?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so we will be going
the door. Yeah.
to get a plate because we are nice kitties today. Wow. I need a plate. Now all you gotta do is come over here. And there's the fruit. Now we'll come over here. Oh no, I don't have one. Now I will make some toast for Granny. One toast. Okay guys, one toast. Now this toast, go in. You know, I just put it out here. There's my perfectly made toast. Now I'm gonna put it in my mouth and I'll put it in this. Hey Grandma. I made you breakfast. Here you go.
Yeah. And don't me.
Yeah, Grandma, I can eat these. Yeah, she won't eat it.
There's that nasty. You'll be fine to for me.
You can go off of a minute.
We love that game, Mom.
Okay. I'm going to show you secrets. Secret number one, if you guys want to go in the
I'm ready.
Girl, that was you, not me. That was you. Why are you getting mad if I didn't even hit you? Like, I'm taking you out before you murder me. Like, I ain't included in this.
Princess freaking loves it.
Yeah. And don't me.
What you got here? What is this?
Okay, guys, here's a fish on top of this. His name is Flopsy. Now, if you go here, you want to open that first, as I was saying. If you open this, you can open that. Now, next secret. You can,
I know, he's like, I just got it.
yeah, you can climb up walls. If you do not put your claw out of the trigger, I'm done. Next secret is
Now we're going to be squeaking all night.
that
Oh, for the shield.
I don't want to
We're just
steal.
going to be squeaking.
You're going to for me.
No, I haven't added
You
it up
guys-
yet.
You guys
I
can
can
get
probably
on
do
the
that while you're over
PC.
here.
Okay, so we're gonna be up here. Move out my way. Oh yeah, if you break that, we'll use that later. Now down here, 0426.
Hold on, I'm getting all tripped up.
There's a
Last night at
dog.
Walmart, we
If you
ran
go
into
upstairs, you'll
Levi's.
stay alive. Grandma
The kids.
cannot go upstairs.
And I guess the kids are staying at Missy in the hospital. Because Bree was staying and the kids were
You're going to
Now,
for me.
whatever, I don't know, anyway.
You can play the piano.
With that
All
thing,
keys.
did you ever look and see those
But, by the
pictures?
way, what's this?
Well, apparently,
Oh yeah, there's a card.
like how I told you there was like one of the blood vessels that were going down, how it was going up when it should have been going down. She didn't have no feeling in her feet. Or, you know, in her, I don't know, both feet or just that one.
I cannot.
But come to find out, she had broken a bone in her foot. Didn't even know it. Didn't even know it.
Didn't realize it because the
No.
feeling.
Yeah, because the feeling was all gone.
You
All the
can't
nerves and
have
everything were bad. Hold on a minute. Let me find Brett's thing. It's gross.
Oh yeah, you gotta go away from Granny to
Yeah,
get
'cause
her to do anything.
she has
now, if you
a,
run away, she wakes up. And you can also climb up walls again. And if you don't put your claw out, you can climb up anything and everything that you want to. But the next
back
one
with
is the
you.
block.
You're going for me.
I'm
I
gonna
think
try
it's
pop
about
open
a minute. It might not
because
be.
I like popping balloons. Okay. So that's all pretty much all the secrets. If you go to sleep, he cannot kill you. You can get the basketball. But if you go break the safe, you can open the safe, the one that we saw. If you move all this left, take this key. It's a key called key money. Now if you go
This is
up,
that's another.
if you go up the freaking staircase, that was killing me. Because I've been going up this staircase like 20,000 times. Now we
It's
gotta
another-
climb. Why can I not climb? Climb. Now if you climb up that side, you can put the key in here. And then there's money. Yeah. Okay. That's all the secrets from
Yeah.
here.
That's what Britt was afraid of.
Now we're
Let
gonna
me
go
go to
to the
Bree.
secret
Maybe
room
Bree
again.
had put detail. Britt's told me like I don't know how many times, but I can't remember.
I just broke my game, guys. They got, oh my, ah!
It's an aortic blockage. That's what she has. Did go ahead and do her bypass
I don't know anymore.
where she has an aortic blockage.
But we'll head in two different VR games today.
Now let me.
So the next game that we will be heading into will be,
Not run out. That's why
We'll
they're
go
trying to get this, because
to-
if this ain't gonna heal, that's not
That's
gonna
gonna
heal.
heal.
Yeah, and
we'll go,
she has
I did
something
not click on
to where
the
everything's
block.
slower healing anyway. I forgot what it was. She's not a diabetic. Where's the freaking picture? I was just on that post too.
Freaking things being stupid.
That's one. And that's like right here.
Okay, guys.
And it just started.
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
We'll
It
start.
just started as that,
Go
and now
in
it's that,
here.
and there's this. It goes all the way, all these little ones.
Now we'll go over here.
But this one started
Now we'll
like
start-
this big around.
I have not
And
played
now
with
it's like
Gorilla
that
Tag
big
for a
around.
long time. We're gonna
or
change my
something,
color.
'cause it's like a whole thing.
Yeah.
And then now
It's
there's
green.
some around it and on the
'Cause
sides.
green
of
is
her
my
leg.
favorite
Like Britt has more detail
Yeah.
or like
if
more
y'all know any more
pictures.
games I
But
should
yeah,
play,
I was like, oh crap.
link
And that's like
them
where it's
down
freaking
below for me.
rotten.
Tell me
And
if you get any links. I'm gonna put my phone right up here so y'all can hear me better.
but Britt, that's what Britt was saying. Britt's like, Mom, you're going to end
Now
up
we're
losing
waiting
your freaking
for
legs."
this.
She don't know. So she's been paying for everything.
Now we're gonna go do this later because I don't think
Britt's
I'm
like, just go. And like,
Now I am agreeing.
yeah, yeah. And Britt was like, go do that. You know, they have paper sign them. If you rack up freaking medical bills, rack up the freaking medical bills.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay, great. I don't care. I mean, like, you don't do that now, here's the figure you want to do.
Yeah. And they're like,
Now,
she's like, you need
this is my
something.
new color. I think it's the same. Don't ask.
They wouldn't prescribe her nothing.
I have not.
Freaking like ibuprofen.
Can I?
And Britt's like, no.
But we're gonna
And
go
this has
down
been going an ongoing thing
wrong
for like
place.
months.
Freaking.
And she's like, dude, they're just wanting her to
We're gonna go
pack
down
it
to the cave.
and then unpack it to where it breaks off,
Oh.
scrapes off all that new stuff.
Okay, we're going down to the cave.
And then put
I freaking
new in
broke it.
where and keep ripping it. Yeah.
Well, it's that. Just keep opening it up.
Yeah, I guess they're hoping that it's going to cause them to get new tissue or something. And I'm like, man,
Oh, frick. Hey, cool.
oh yeah, they went in and they cleaned everything. I guess.
Oh, frick. Can you not move it?
Basically, I'm assuming. And so now it's just, and she's actually on pain medicine and stuff like that. So, in the hospital, you know, hopefully they still give her pain medicine. Like, I need a cricket somewhere that will,
No,
like,
I cannot.
she can get, like, medical or medical
Now.
help
Not
to
in the
give
case
her
I
mom.
play.
and
Well,
stuff like that. She's like, she ain't gonna do that. She'll be coming soon. And, she's like, I just need some, you know, they won't give her that.
This is cool.
And I'm like, that don't make any sense whatsoever why they wouldn't.
Now I'm gonna go sleep.
Yeah, it freaking looks painful.
I go to
Just from looking at it. Yeah. Yeah. That's what Britt's like. It's freaking dying, Mom. And Britt's they went toe to toe. Britt was like over it, you know. And she's like, oh, she didn't let anybody see it. Or, you know, anything like that.
I still got it. I still got
She
it.
didn't want to tell it.
The day
And finally, Britt seen it. She kept on to her about going. And she ended up making the appointment for her. And just going and picking her up and being like, go, get dressed. It's in 30 minutes, let's go. You know.
we're gonna go to this.
Yeah, she wouldn't change it. She wouldn't change the bandages or nothing like that. Like she said something. She's like, I guess last week she got there. It was her lunch break or something, and she was just running by just to check in or whatever. And she says, Wayne and Fred were outside and they were trying to like mow the grass and get the yard fixed or whatever. And she said, I heard Mom from the driveway praying to God and crying because she was in there changing her. And that's when she was like, I need to take her to SOMC or something. And I was like, well, I didn't even know. I figured that's probably where she's at. I didn't know. They're at King's office. So, yeah, because I asked Levi, I was like, where's she at? Or like because Emma said something about they're up in the park. or it's close to the park. And I was like, oh. I was like, so she's like, King Stores? And Levi was like, yeah. And I was like, okay, let's do it. Yeah.
No! Now, guys, we're gonna go to another game. You know what? Join Gorilla Tag because I kind of got stuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Today
Yeah. That's, and that's what she was freaking,
we're gonna go here. Now I'm gonna go over here. Today I swear I'm not doing it. Okay, guys.
yeah.
Today I swear I'm not
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go No.
right here.
No.
All you can eat is.
No, no.
Let me show you now how to do
I
it.
haven't played this game in a while now, so I'm kind of slow.
I think that dude's.
So I don't really know.
I found the diddler. I found the diddler. I found the diddler. The diddler's up here.
I cannot.
Hey, Diddy, stop.
No, my leg. Mom,
He's trying to steal. You're very trash. Okay. But you're trash.
This will work.
I'll go.
The other server.
You're a gay kid. Kid, you have
yeah, I'm gonna go to another map.
You do this.
Yeah.
You put your hand right here and you go.
I don't even know. It's too much for me to like where I don't understand half of it, you know. And I guess, but she's like, she went. There was like certain doctors or something wound care, and then something else. She was like, you know, like they had to go to wound care. Wound care is the one that wasn't doing nothing, that matter just changing it or you know whatever. And she's like, well, so they were trying to do it like that, thinking it would be the best option, but
Hey, you should
not.
activate
You should just told her, yeah. And
activate him.
and then
Okay.
Britt's like, but I called like when it came to it, you know, like she got the wound care and Britt explained everything, you know, and they were looking for the house until like the end of August, early September. And then finally, I guess, or you know something like that. Yeah, yeah.
They don't want to walk around.
That's the good bulldog, Mama.
Whatever. Maybe.
That's the little good bulldog.
Okay, bet. I'm fine. All right.
What happened? I'm just
Okay, this all
playing.
He's such a
like,
Oh, cute, Dad.
with the
Today, I swear.
Rocky. That Rocky they don't last very long if they got a squeaker in it.
Yeah.
Especially that time Mom and Dad threw them away. Right, guys? Okay. You're able to turn that up. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a secret. Well, that's it for today's video. So, yeah, we're gonna end it right here. So, bye. Oh yeah, I'm still here. I got a casting and thing. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.